Okay, hello. Today is Thanksgiving, and what better way to spend Thanksgiving but with the family in a farm? Yahoo! Right now we're like surrounded by apple trees, and I think my family wants to go pick them. But yeah, we're here in Taves Apple Farm. There's no apples.
Ooh, sunflower.
Oh, I love sunflower. I came here once last year with my friends, but it was pouring rain and we still enjoyed it. It was not that busy. Look, she got an apple.
So cute. Malo, may
What?
nalaglag oh.
Dad.
Good?
Dad. Why are you eating it?
Yeah, so close. There's nobody here. You're one sauce enough.
I know.
There's a savory one.
It's like, that one looks so tempting. It's like,
Huh? The barbecue is good.
Look at my corn, guys. Dude, I have so much sauce. I'd rather just use it up.
Some like corn.
Dana, tell me what you want again.
Oh, corn. It's so good. You don't get corn like that.
I love apple cider. It's weird. I think I'm allergic to apples. But apple cider is so good. Whoa, this is huge! That's sweet. It's sweet, yo! They left us for the bouncy
this is really sweet.
No,
Not Lorenzo gagging. It smells like manure right now.
Yeah.
Hi! Can we pet them? Would they bite? Would they bite?
Let's go.
Test
it out.
Those are babies.
Stick your finger in. Let's see if your finger will be alive.
哎，走走走，要不要去那个推广？不去了吧？都几点了？这里随便玩玩。
Oh, this one's so cute! Hi! Whoa! Ah! They're like shooting corns. Have you ever done a corn maze?
No.
No?
First time.
Okay, cool. This is my first time too. So that means
Oh, it feels like more thicker.
we can't blame each other if we get lost. And honey, you can eat these? It's actual corn? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, I guess it's a corn maze, right?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, where do we go?
Oh!
Oh.
No, that's a dead end.
You sure about that?
Yeah, it's a dead end. Where do you want to go?
You lead the way.
Right or left? I don't trust myself, man. No, it's a dead end.
Just like,
Harvest
real.
it?
Harvest it?
It's
Is it
real,
ready?
Dana. You want it?
Yeah, it's a real corn.
I'm good.
Not you eating. A corn in a corn maze. This is really a maze, man.
Carla, that means they have 3 corn mazes.
Oh no, it's a dead end.
How do you know?
Dead end. Dead end, Lorenzo. Lorenzo, bye. Bye. So dusty, man.
I think we're wearing boots. The heck?
Wow, strong boy. Ow.
Isn't that sharp?
Yeah, it kind of hurts.
Lorenzo, you look so cute with your pumpkin.
It's like the size of his head.
The corn maze, you took a pumpkin and then came out with a pumpkin.
Yay, we made it.
Oh.
We succeeded.
Oh.
The little boy's doing
You
it.
got a prize here last time.
Yeah, he did. He aimed.
Oh, really?
He got
You have
it.
to hit something?
Yeah, he hit something or whatever.
This pie is so good.
Bring it up. Just carry it like this. Carry it? Bring it up. It's kind of heavy. You can carry it? Can you carry it?
Dad, don't break your back.
Oh, freak! Turn it down. It's like... Whoa, shit! Oh, yeah, don't drop.
Don't drop it, don't drop it. Oh my gosh.
Woo! We're back. Go ahead.
So there's this side and this side.
You can pick one.
One's an entrance, one's an exit.
I'll race you there.
Race you back here.
Yeah.
Vic, am I actually running this? No, no, Vic, I think I'm lost. No!
Come on. I'm back.
Ah, that was fine.
Yeah, that was quite the race. I'm tired.
Where did Dad go?
That was pretty fun though.
What did you guys do?
We raced. I got dirt in my mouth. Look at all the pumpkins. Wee, wee. Lorenzo, say wee. 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 Fine, Lorenzo. Oh, I was sitting on his leg. That's why you were saying ow. Sorry, Lorenzo. Do I look like Sleeping Beauty? The men in my family, men. How's the apple? It's nice?
Good, Mom.
I'm pretty sure you have to pay for these, don't we?
Yeah, probably.
This is apple cider slushy. Tastes exactly what it is. It's just cold apple cider with ice. Do you need help with that? Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Wait, I'm not ready. Back. This is hard. no. Oh no. Patrick, Patrick, Patrick. This is dangerous. I like scraped my elbow. I'm tired.
Bite.
That is very scary.
Face is